to display a string using this Lazarus software. So first of all, you can open this software and then click on this file, select new, then select simple program, then click on this OK button. Now after that, suppose if you want to display your name, right, type these codes. First of all, type write, open a bracket, then this symbol, then type your name. I'll type my name, Shashika, and then I'll close this, and then I'll close this bracket also. Then at the end of the statement, put this semicolon. Next, press the enter key, type read ln. Again, at the end of the statement, put this semicolon. Okay. Now, you can run this program to get the output. So, I'll click on this run, then select run. If there is no errors, then you can get the output. See, no errors. I'll get the output like this. See? Okay. Now, girls, if you are using your mobile phone, then you can't download this software now, right? So then, you can use this option. First of all, go to your web browser, type Pascal Online Editor. Type Pascal Online Editor. Type Pascal Online Editor in your search bar. And then select the third one. Online Pascal Compiler Tutorials Point. Select this third one. Online Pascal Compiler Tutorials Point. If you are using your mobile phone, if you can't download this software, Lazarus software, then you can use this second option. First of all, go to your web browser and then type Pascal Online Editor and then select the third one. Pascal Online Pascal Compiler Tutorials Point. Select this one. Online Pascal Compiler Tutorials Point. Select this third one. Then, now you can type your codes. Okay. So now you can give a name to your program. You can give a name to your program. I'll give hi. If you want, you can give a name to your program, and then if you want to display your name, right, I'll change this one. You can type your name here. Type your name over here, and then you can give any name to your program. Okay. I'll type my first program. I'll type my first program. No spaces. Here I used 3 words. No. My first program. In between these 3 words, don't keep any space because this is the name of your program. Okay. So don't keep any space. Right. Then if you want to display your name, right, then type it over here. And then to run this program, click on this execute button. Okay. Then you can see the output. See, this is the output. This is the output. It display your name. Okay. It display your name. Then next, I go back to this Lazarus software. Now I want to display another message. I want to display another message. Welcome to 2022. Welcome to 2022. I want to display this message now. Okay. So then, first of all, type these codes and then click on this run. Select run. No errors. See, you will get the output like this. Welcome to 2022. Now I want to do the same thing using my online editor also. So I'll go back to my online editor, tutorialspoint.com online editor, and then I replace this one. I replace my name with this message. Welcome to 2022. Okay. Then you can execute. See, this is the output. Simple. It's very easy. See, it displays this message like this. Welcome to 2022. So if you are using your mobile phone, then you can use this second option. You can use this online editor. Okay. Then next, I want to display another message. Now I go back to my Lazarus software and then I'll type, this is my first Pascal program. I want to display this message now. This is my first Pascal program, right? So type these codes, and then if you want to run this software, if you want to run these codes, then click on this run, select run. Okay, no errors, you will get the output. See, this is my first Pascal program. This is my first Pascal program. Now I want to do the same thing using my online editor also. So I'll go back to that tutorials point online editor, and then I'll change this one. Okay, I'll change this one. This is my first Pascal program. This is my first Pascal program. And then click on this execute button, so then you can run these codes. See, this is the output. This is my first Pascal program. This is the output. See, it's very easy, right? See, you can display the output like this. Clear? And then next. Now you know how to display a string, right? How to display a string. String means characters, right? Letters can be there, then special characters can be there, right? Then everything. It can be a mix, it can be a combination. Okay? Letters, special characters, right? So your name is an example for this string data type. Your name, your mother's name, your father's name, your best friend's name, then your class teacher's name, right? A name can be considered as a string. Okay? A name belongs to the string data type. So if you want to display a string, right, then you can do that like this. If not, if you want to display a message like this, this message also belongs to this string data type. Okay. So if you want to display letters, right? Letters means that belongs to string data type, no, right? If you want to display a message like this, if you want to display your name, so then you have to type these codes. Okay. Then now I'll go back to my Lazarus software again. Now I want to do another thing. Okay. Now first, I'll type this one. VAR space X integer semicolon, then Y integer semicolon. So now I want to insert variables. I want to insert variables. So this X and Y means two variables. This VAR stands for variables, right? So this variable X and Y belongs to this integer data type. Integer means what? A whole number, right? Integer means a whole number, not a fractional number. Okay. 5 is an integer. 3 is an integer. 100 is an integer. 200 is an integer. 500 is an integer. Then 6 is an integer. A whole number. Integer means a whole number, not a fractional number. 2.5 is not a whole number. It's a fractional number. So it is not an integer. It is not an integer. 2.5, 3.5, then 9.5. Okay. That is not an integer. It's not a whole number. No. It's a fractional number. So it is not an integer. Then here this variable x and y belongs to this integer data type. Next, I want to assign values. I want to assign values now to this variable x and y. So I'll type x, then this symbol, then equal symbol, then I'll assign values now. X is equal to 10. Then y is equal to 20. Y is equal to 20. Now I want to get the total of these two variables. So I'll type right, open a bracket, x plus y, close this bracket, semicolon, then read ln, again semicolon. See, first of all, I want to define the data type of this. I wanted to define the data type of these two variables. So I gave integer data type, right? Variable x and y belongs to this integer data type. And then after that, I wanted to assign values to these two variables, x and y. So now x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20. Then after that, I want to get the total. So I typed x plus y. I typed x plus y. And then to see the output, okay, to see the output, you can click on this run button. Click on this run. And then again select run. Again, no errors. You will get the output like this. See, go back to your codes. Okay, so x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20. So x plus y, that means 10 plus 20 is belongs, 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. See, so then you will get the output like this. Okay, then now again, I'll click on this new and then I'll select simple program and then I'll click on this OK button. Now I'm going to change values. I'm going to change values. Okay. Now again I'll type variable x, variable x belongs to integer data type, integer data type. At the end of this statement, put a semicolon like this. Then variable y, variable y, variable y that also belongs to the integer data type. Then put this semicolon. Then next, between these two, begin and end, right? Now you have to assign values. X is equal to 10. X is equal to 10. Then semicolon. Then y is equal to y is equal to now I'll change these values. I'll give 70 now. Okay, I'll change these values. Then semicolon. Now again I want to get the total. So I'll type write x plus y. Then again semicolon. Then next read ln semicolon. Okay. So first of all, you should give the data type, right? X and Y both belongs to this integer data type, and then next, you should assign values. X is equal to 10, Y is equal to 70. Then I want to get the total of these two, X plus Y, okay? X plus Y. So type X plus Y. Now after that, okay, I want to tell another thing also. Then here, see, if this variable x is a capital letter, then this x also should be a capital letter. This x also should be a capital letter. Don't mix up, okay? If this x is a capital letter, then this x also should be a capital letter, and this x also should be a capital letter. If this x is a simple letter, then this x also should be a simple letter. And then this x also should be a simple letter. Then if this y is a capital letter, this y also should be a capital letter. And this y also should be a capital letter. If this y is a simple letter, then this y also should be a simple letter. And this y also should be a simple letter. You can't mix it. Okay? Then now you can run this program. Click on this run, select run. No errors, you will get 90. Sorry, 70 plus 10, you will get 80. Okay, so this is the answer. This is the output. See, you will get the total. X plus Y, 10 plus 70. Okay, 10 plus 70, you will get 80. See, this is the output. Okay, you can get the total. X plus Y, 10 plus 70, you will get 80 as the output. Okay. Please type these codes and get the output.